Setting an intention for your day first thing in the morning is a practice that can set you on a mindful path to make choices that align with what is most important to you and lead to more ease and less unnecessary suffering in your life. Hello and welcome. I'm Sara Raymond from the Mindful Movement, where we offer an oasis for you to build inner calm, positive mindset, and self-healing. Let us begin. I invite you to make yourself comfortable. Allow your eyes to close or simply soften your gaze. Take a moment to allow your body to settle into comfort. Begin to notice the contact points where your body meets the surface beneath it. Notice the heaviness there. And perhaps you experience a blurring of the edges of your body with the boundaries of the surface beneath you. Notice how the air feels as it gently makes contact with your skin. Feel the sensations of the fabric of your clothes brushing lightly against your skin. As you notice the physical sensations of your body, let this narrow your focus to your current experience in this present moment. Check in with what you need right now. What are the messages that your body and mind are sending you? What is asking to be heard? Perhaps consider why you chose to sit in meditation today, what you are looking for from this practice. And do your best to allow whatever comes to the surface to be just as it is, and meet these messages with acceptance. Perhaps choose one or two ideas that are calling to you the strongest, and create your intention statement for the day. Make this statement a present tense statement, as if it is true for you right now. Recite the words in your mind. Feel the ideas in your heart. And once you have your intention set, take a little time to connect with what's in your heart as you remain in stillness. Notice your breath as it is right now. Notice the rhythm of your breath. And notice the depth and the movement of your breath. And then begin to breathe more deeply. Fill up more fully. Breathe in your intention. Hold your intention in your heart. Hold on to the values or the qualities that are most important to you. Today is a gift, an opportunity to live in alignment with your values and the qualities that are most important to you. Stay connected to your intention. It is within you. And when you are ready, open your eyes, ready to start your day. Share your intention in the comments below. Put your ideas out into the world. Thank you for practicing with me. I hope you have a wonderful day.